Hey there, it's Jer. I am here for week number 3 of the IBL Season 4. I am your coach of the Seattle Pidgeots, and we are facing the New York Piplups. I recorded a team builder. It should be up by now. If you haven't already, go check it out. Quickly, this is the team I'm bringing. You can see him here. Boom, boom. The team he has access to is here, and he should be challenging me any second here. Yeah. Hopefully he challenges me any second. I'm pretty. I don't know. I wouldn't say I'm confident. In what I'm doing, what I'm bringing, this week, but I feel good about it. I like the matchup. I like my new members from the trades. I'm wearing my new jersey. I feel good. I'm a big hockey guy. Just picked up a new jersey. Let's see if it brings me some success. Just waiting on that challenge, bro. There it is. Challenge me in Ubers. Alright. Well, I was expecting anything goes. But whatever. That's my team. Let's get into it. Oh, man. Okay. So he brought 5 out of 6 of what I thought he would bring. The fat cores. Jesus frick. So, Kangaskhan, Regirock, Skarmory, Toxapex, Umbreon, and Latias. Obviously, I'm expecting offensive Latias, offensive Kangaskhan. I'd say maybe offensive Regirock, something like that. See how it goes. I think the rocks are not super important in this match. I think he'll probably lead the Regirock to get rocks up. He has Defog in Skarmory and Latias. I think leading Tapu Koko is not a bad idea. I also think leading Cobalion is not a bad idea. Yeah, I think Cobalion is my safest lead, if I'm being honest. But we will see. We will see. Alright. He leads the Toxapex. Oh, if I led the Doug Trio. Holy macaroni. I think I can Volt Switch pretty easily into the Tapu Koko or the Necrozma. I don't think I want to go into the Doug Trio right away because that could be scary. I am going to click Volt Switch. I might see Toxic Spikes here. I faced that in prep. Let's just go Toxapex to the Cobalion. If he is specially defensive, it should do under 20%. If he is not specially defensive, it will do more, and we will see. I got a drink this week because I noticed the last couple videos I've been recording. Okay, so it does 17, so that's pretty standard. Looks like specially defensive. I think I actually want to go into Tangrowth here and try and Leech Seed. Maybe knock off. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, he goes for the Toxic Spikes. That's where I figured. his swap from like Tangrowth swap in is probably Latias or Skarmory. Yeah, Skarmory. Go for the Leech Seed. You can see spikes coming up here. Skarmory against Tangrowth. Can you get a Skarmory with an attack? Apparently, it's all gone. There we go. So we'll do 34 to 40 without investment. So what is that going to do to my Vullaby? Not that I can do much back, but I can defog. So I'm going to go into Vullaby here. He's going to Whirlwind and brings in Dugtrio. That's kind of bad, to be honest. I mean, him Whirlwinding is fine. But I don't want him to Whirlwind me. Because, like, I don't have Heal Bell, so it's not great. Stone Edge is not going to do much. I'm just going to get up rocks. Expect him to Whirlwind me again. Into Tapu Koko, that's perfect. Now I can fire off a free Thunderbolt pretty freely, I think. Yeah, it should guarantee kill. I think his switch into this would be either Latias or the Umbreon. So I'm going to set up a Calm Mind. Yeah, he goes in Umbreon. So Umbreon, specially defensive, +1 Tapu Koko, Sea Fairy, I don't know what he wants to do to me. I'm going to Calm Mind again. No, I'm just going to Thunderbolt. I'm just going to Dazzling Gleam. Yeah. Because I don't want him to protect on my Z move. That's what I was fearing. Yeah, exactly. So now I can freely go for the Twinkle Tackle, and this thing should die. I think he's gonna Wish. Yes! Oh my god. Yes! Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright. So Regirock could be a thing. Go to Toxapex here. Especially defensive. Toxapex, Thunderbolt should kill. And it does. Perfect. Koko with 2 kills. If he goes to Regirock, Regirock. I think I just Thunderbolt again. Yeah, I think. Earthquake after Roost doesn't kill me, so maybe I. Yeah, we'll see. Looks like he has a problem or something. I'm not sure. He goes into Mega Kangaskhan. Parental Bond Fake Out and Poison will kill me. Goes into Regirock. Thunderbolt has a chance to kill him, actually. Because he has 2 specially defensive Mons, I'm going to say he's not specially defensive at all. And Thunderbolt has a 50% chance of dying. Yeah, I'm going to go for Thunderbolt. Okay, he is specially defensive. Rock Slide picks up the kill on Kokoro. Here I go into my Cobalion. I think he's probably going to switch. I'd say that's pretty guaranteed there. I think I'm going to Volt Switch. If he doesn't stay in, or if he stays in, then he's probably going for Earthquake, and then Volibee won't die anyway. So... oh, this is the wrong one. I want Cobalion. Yeah, it'll do 11%. It'll do less than that. I think he's Saltfished. That's my guess. From how little he took from Thunderbolt. Okay, yeah, he goes into Latias. So I'm going to go into Volibee and Defog here. Yeah, I really don't want him to sub. That would be terrible if he subbed right now. How would I combat that if he subs right now? If I go into Latias... Calm Mind to Volibee. This thing has Ice Beam, which I'm assuming it does, or Thunderbolt. Probably Thunderbolt. Knockoff will break a sub, so I'm going to go for Knockoff first. I think that's the right play. He does go for Calm Mind. Alright. So 30%, and he is Z move. Does Z Thunderbolt? Thunderbolt. No. Thunderbolt Z at +1 has a chance to kill Volibee. Now I'm going for Defog. Because I really do not want these Toxic Spikes up. He goes for Calm Mind again. Here I'm going for Toxic. He can guarantee kill me with a Z move. Yes, I get the Toxic off. Perfect. Unless he has refresh, then it's not perfect. Let's roost. Go for knockoff again, get some good chip. I need to keep him in range. Goes for Draco. It doesn't even kill. Wow. Wow. Wow, I'm floored that didn't kill. What? Oh, that's Dope Trio. Wow. But it's 74%. It has to be 0. Yeah. Huh. So if he's at +1 now, I mean, he's gonna die to Toxic if he does not roost. So I'm gonna let Vullaby go down. I don't think I need it. I don't think I need it. Okay, he does go into Skarmory. Okay. So I get the roost up. That's perfect. I forgot that Skarmory is so hard to take down when I don't have the... when I don't have the Pokemon. I'm gonna click knockoff. Goes for one. That's fine, because there's no hazards up. So I'm gonna Leech Seed here. He goes for Toxic. Okay. It's not great, but it's not terrible, I guess. I'm gonna go for Sleep Powder. He goes for Roost. Alright. Yeah, so I'm going into Necrozma. He has the Whirlwind. Goes in Regirock. Alright. Go into Necrozma. Regirock. I'm just gonna Photon Geyser. Hope it kills. It does. So Necrozma picks up a kill. Awesome. That may tell him that I'm faster. If he's a faster variant. He goes into Kangaskhan. My answer to this is Tangrowth every single time. Goes for the Fake Out. That's awesome. Rocky Helmet damage. And I can Leech Seed here. I know that an Ice Punch will not kill me. Back into Skarmory. It's good. If I wanted to go into Valiant. Okay. So I need to keep Tangrowth around as long as Skarmory is around. Because of the because of Leech Seed. Because I don't know if I can beat this thing, honestly, without it. So I'm going to go into Necrozma, and I'm going to click... He's been asleep for 1 turn. I'm just going to click Photon Geyser. I should outspeed it, unless it's really fast for some reason. And I have a chance to kill it. I think it did 57 max. If he doesn't go for Roost and wake up, then he does wake up and he does go for Roost. Alright. Well, probably going to Toxic on this turn. So I'm going to go in a Cobalion. No, he Roosts. Okay. Sacred Sword. This thing is really hard to kill. But I should, as long as I have Leech Seeds, I should be able to stall out his Roosts. You can go back to sleep. To be honest. Yeah, back to sleep you go. Thinking his last move is probably Iron Head because of Tapu Koko. It might be Brave Bird, but I don't think it really matters. Sacred Sword did 21. That's the Regirock. Skarmory. Volt Switch will do more. I'm gonna sub. Just in case he wants to wake up in Toxic. Because I don't want this thing to get Toxic at all. I know Whirlwind goes through sub, I'm aware. But if he chooses to Whirlwind me... Oh, perfect. He's asleep. Max sleep. Epic. Epic! Yeah. Necrozma should honestly be able to clean up here, and if not, Cobalion does. So, I think that'll be a GG to my man Jungle Cat. It's unfortunate that he got the 3-turn sleep, but if he didn't Roost that turn, then I would still be getting damage off. And if he Whirlwinded me to get me out, he would still take the damage, and he would be in range of basically, hopefully, anything but Vullaby. So, yeah, I'm going to go for Photon Geyser here. He's going to fake me out. It'll break my sub. I found that out in prep. I know that. It should break my sub. I believe it did in prep. Yeah, so. Sorry, I keep pulling OBS up. I just get so anxious that I've stopped recording and I'm going to have to do post-com, and I hate doing post-com. I did it last week and it sucked. So goes for return, breaks my sub. Photon Geyser does a lot. I'm actually going to let Tangrowth pick up the Rocky Helmet kill. Yep. GG. Because this Latias is going to die to Toxic no matter what. I'm just going to click Knockoff. He goes for Roost. Here I'm going to swap. I want to conserve differential if I can. I think he probably just Z's me here, which is probably Z Dragon. So I'm just going to sack Willoughby. Yeah. I want to live anyway. Oh, that's rough. That's rough, dude. Just go to Latias. I know it doesn't have a lot of special attack. Yeah. I'll let Vullaby get the kill. Swap to Cavalion. Preserve the 5-0. And that's a GG, bro. Preserve that 5-0. All right, well, that's the battle. Good game to Jungle Cat. I know you might not watch this, but if you do, I like you a lot. You're a great battler. Had a fun time doing this battle. Your team is hella fat. Hella fat. Like, hella fat. Really fat. I'm glad I got the win. We are now 2-1 with a differential of now +5. Next week, we take on Emily and the San Antonio Swallows. So be sure to stick around. That'll be going up next week. And yeah, I will see you all next week. Like and sub. And yeah. Goodbye.